Ninja Foodi Air Fry Oven showing an error code? Try this first. If your oven flashes a message like call customer service, followed by ER1 through ER7, it's likely a serious internal fault. But there are a few things you can try before giving up on it. Here are 4 quick steps that might bring it back, especially if the error was triggered by heat, power, or storage issues. Step 1. Unplug the oven. Fully disconnect the plug from the wall and wait at least 60 seconds. This clears out static charge or voltage spikes that may have triggered the error. Step 2. Let it cool completely. Some codes appear if you try to flip the oven up too soon after use. Let it cool for at least 15 minutes before retrying, especially after cooking with air fry or grill modes. Step 3. Lower it into cooking position. Make sure the oven is in its flat cooking position before turning it back on. If it's still upright, the sensors won't reset properly. Step 4. Plug it in and power on. Use a stable wall outlet, not a power strip. Press the power button once, or hold it for 2 seconds. Still seeing the code? Hold the Start/Pause button for 3 seconds to refresh the control panel. If your kitchen outlet is tight or awkward, I've linked the low-profile surge protector I use below. It fits behind most appliances and keeps the connection stable. If the error comes back right away, it's time to reach out to Ninja support. I've included the link in the description. If this helped you clear the code and get cooking again, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you still need a low-profile surge protector that doesn't block nearby plugs, I've linked the one I use below. Perfect for tight kitchen setups. Thanks for watching, and don't flip it hot.